Assalamu alaikum my all viewers. I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe I am going to make is very exciting and simple recipe of winters is Gajar ka halwa or a carrot halwa from my mother's traditional recipe. So let's make it. First of all, take a deep pot and then put the peeled, washed and finely grated carrots in it and then put a lid on it and then cook it until all the water of the carrots comes out. Now remove the lid and then keep stirring well for about 10 to 15 minutes or until all the water dries up. Then add cardamom powder to it. Then add sugar and then stirring it well and keep mixing well until all the sugar dissolves well. And keep stirring and cooking well for about 5 to 10 minutes continuously. And then add desi ghee to it. Now keep stirring and cook well for about 10 minutes more or until oil comes out. When oil comes out properly, then on the other hand, now crack 4 eggs in another bowl one by one and then set aside. Then on the other side, when all the ghee or oil comes out of the carrots, then make a small portion or a space in a center and then put all eggs in it. Then as the eggs are cooked slowly and lightly and then keep mixing all the eggs in the carrots are cooked well and then keep stirring continuously. When all the eggs are cooked properly and then keep cooking and stirring well for about 5 to 6 minutes and wait until oil comes out. At this point, when all the oil comes out, then add khoya or a mawa and then keep stirring well for about 3 to 5 minutes or until all the khoya or a mawa is incorporated. And then wait for the oil comes out again and then add peeled and splitted almonds and chopped pistachios and then mix it well again for about 2 minutes and then keep it on a simmer for about 5 minutes till all the oil comes out. Now take it out in a bowl and also garnish it with boiled sliced eggs and as per your wish. So serve hot. So serve and enjoy. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.